What a beautiful day to come out to SunFest and check out the Core Rehab Sustainability Tour. And I brought a Macintosh jacket that I got off my grandparents' sailboat in for a repair. The plastic part of the zipper pin has disintegrated, and I'm going to drop it off, walk around and check out the venue, and then come back and pick up my repaired product.
You could really see there's just a lot of gear out there that needs a little tweak, a little fix, a new zipper slider, a patch. An event like this and no cost attached to it also makes it attractive for people to, I think, dig some stuff out to bring in and see if it can be fixed.
I came to SunFest today and brought my 10-year-old ripped tent. I got it back and I think I'm going to be able to get another 10 years out of it.
The trick is to have a lot of different kinds of colors, different kinds of materials, different weights of materials, because, repairs can be kind of random and you never know what you're going to get.
Other thing that's important that we do is just give people consultations to figure out if we can't repair the gear here, to give them resources where they can get it done, so people walk away happy, informed, or some combination of the two.
We're 3D scanning people's broken outdoor gear, seeing how much it would cost to fix that gear, and providing sample parts to see about the fitment. But we're talking about like tenting equipment, ski equipment, hiking, biking, all that sort of stuff. And the main goal of it is to see what broken gear is out there, how it can be repaired, and if it's feasible to have an outdoor gear repair company in the region.
Anything to get my product repaired today.